I have a number of nagging ailments related to my former military service. I have my alignment is off. I'm cocked to the right, and so my shoulder, hip, and knee all on the right side from 3 different accidents that happened all on the right side of my body has caused sort of chronic pain and of course misalignment, and so that's the primary reason I wanted to do this block therapy program, to address those issues. I'm no longer able to run, which was one thing that I really liked doing. I had some mobility issues in my shoulder in terms of range of motion, and I had sort of chronic lower back and knee issues, again related to those accidents in the past. I think that the 90-day intensive program for me really helped me with my alignment. My right shoulder was quite a bit lower. It's now getting back to almost level with the left shoulder. So alignment was probably the number one thing, followed closely by range of motion. So I'm able now to get a much fuller range of motion in my arms, and also in my hips and knees. I can get out of bed without pain in the morning, and that's probably the hardest part of my day is getting up in the morning. I found that the block therapy program really helped me with pain relief in the morning. So my joints weren't as stiff and sore. I had a much better range of motion. I could get up and I could start my day with much less pain issues than I had before. My number one hobby is golfing, and it's really helped me with my golf game. So I've found that I get a much fuller range of motion when I'm swinging through with my club on the ball. And so those are the 2 big things that I've noticed. Without block therapy, I would still be hurting quite a bit in the morning. I would probably be very frustrated about my golf game because my range of motion wouldn't be very good. Quite frankly, it was fun to do something with my wife that we both did the program together, and we set a time each day, and we tried to set that time sort of around the same time each day, so it became part of our routine, and that was the best part. It's working on very specific parts of our body, which you can't get the same benefits from, say, weightlifting or running or cross-country skiing, where they might be an overall exercise, but they aren't necessarily specifically dealing with the issues that you're trying to address. And so I think block therapy is a more surgical approach to wellness. And the great thing about it is, if you're having a particular issue, like say my right shoulder, I can come back to that over and over and keep working on that specific thing, which you can't do in a lot of other sports and activities. So you have to get started, and it's baby steps. I'm going to do this today, and I'm going to commit to doing it tomorrow. And then after a few days, it becomes part of your routine. And block therapy, like other programs, require a certain amount of investment of time to get started. And then so I would say, get started as soon as you can. Go with the 15 or 20-minute sessions, and then work up to 30-minute sessions. Don't try to do too much all at once, and just do a little bit each day, and then before long, it'll become completely part of your daily routine. In many ways, you become your own practitioner. You become the explorer of your own body, and you know then what to do to address a particular issue that you've got.